Best penny stocks to buy on May 29th, 2026. Number one recommendation is Hub Cybersecurity Limited, stock symbol HUBC. It is up today 302% or 33 cents, trading at 44 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 963 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. So almost 1 billion shares were traded of that stock. So market cap for the company, though, is tiny, only $500,000. However, the company had revenue of $29 million last year. It employs 322 people. It's rated as miscellaneous commercial services, but it looks like it has something to do with, cybersecurity, IT, and stuff like that. So what can I tell you? I mean, it looks like a crazy stock because 6 months ago it used to trade at $800 a share, and then it collapsed all the way to like 5 cents. So that's kind of crazy. And while it was collapsing, nobody was trading it, nobody cared about the stock. However, I guess they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is trading a record trading volume, almost 1 billion shares. So if I were you, I would definitely go and check what kind of news this guy's released. And, if it has something to do with AI, which it probably does, I would probably jump on it because it's so cheap and you have so many new buyers coming in. And if this thing does work out and you buy it for 43 cents and it goes to $800 where it used to trade 6 months ago, I mean, you could make like a gazillion percent on this thing. It's like 80,000%. So it's crazy. So take a look. Next one is PRF Technologies, stock symbol PRFX. It is up today 218% or $2.99, trading at $4.33. Since this morning, it already traded 43 million shares. Market cap for the company is $4 million. So last year they had revenue only of $17,000. They employ only 7 people. And this company is from pharmaceuticals sector. So kind of like a typical story for a pharmaceutical stock. Let's say 4 months ago, it used to trade at $5.40. Then I guess they couldn't produce any kind of good results, and the stock collapsed all the way to like $2. So, and I guess they released some kind of news yesterday and probably today, because suddenly the trading volume spiked yesterday and today, and obviously today's jump kind of shows you that the news were finally, accepted by the market with very positive and upbeat attitude. And, the new buyers came in and just basically, more than double the stock. So it's up to 120%. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because, for a pharmaceutical stock, a sky is the limit could be. And in this case, it looks like, like a lot of positive attitude is happening right now towards the stock. So take a look. Next one is DevStream, stock symbol DEVS. It is up today 133%, or I'll probably drop you off here. 133% or 16 cents, trading at 28 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 400 million shares. Just sit till the light goes in. So, okay. So, and it employs 10 people. Market cap for the company is only $34 million. And this company is from miscellaneous commercial services sector. So last year they had revenue of only $25,000. And it's kind of, I guess, an interesting company. I think it has to do something with software though, but I might be wrong. It's up to you to check it out. So the only thing I could tell you is that 6 months ago it used to trade at $2 a share. Then it collapsed all the way to like 10 cents. While it was collapsing, nobody was trading it. Nobody cared about that stock. So it was, kind of like not a very interesting stock, so to speak. So what can I tell you? I mean, if I were you, I would take a look, see what's going on there, see what's driving that stock, and if it's something interesting, especially if it has something to do with AI, I would probably jump on it, because if you buy it 40 cents and this thing goes back to like $2.50, you could make like 5 times your money. So take a look. Next one is Nexera Technologies, stock symbol NEXR. It is up today 119%, or $1.37, trading at $2.56. Since this morning, it already traded 48 million shares. Market cap for the company is only $2 million. So the company had revenue of $16 million last year. It employs 38 people. And this company is actually from recreational products sector, which is kind of a rare sector to produce, such huge jumps. But it is what it is. And take a look. Next one is IO3 Limited, stock symbol IOTR. It is up today 72%, or $2.03, trading at $4.83. Since this morning, it already traded 17 million shares. Market cap for the company is only $12 million. So last year, this company had revenue of $8 million. It employs 48 people. And this is information technology sector stock, basically IT. So what can I tell you? I mean, here, like 4 months ago, it used to trade at $5.60. Then it collapsed all the way to like $1.50. And then it was kind of like wobbling around $2 for the last couple of months. But apparently they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock is like one of the hottest stocks in the market. First of all, it's attracting, 17 million shares, which is a healthy, trading value. But the main thing is a jump of 78%. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on there, because it looks like it's news driven, and because it's IT, close to AI, I could imagine that it probably, has something to do with it. So, and just in general, this sector, IT, software development, software products, all these companies are now pretty hot, especially if they try to go into like AI and deploy AI inside their products. So take a look. Next one is Sunlands Technology Group, stock symbol STG. It is up today 77%, or $2.13, trading at $4.85. Since this morning, it already traded 19 million shares. Market cap of the company is $61 million. So this company is from miscellaneous commercial services sector, but frankly, I think it has to do with some kind of technology, Sunlands, I mean, maybe solar, but who knows. The main thing is that their revenue last year were, wow, $280 million. They employ 1,567 people. So it's, you know, but their market cap is only $61 million.